Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken mince burgers. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of lean chicken mince, 1 egg to bind everything, and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs for texture. Don't forget your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder to give your burgers a fantastic flavor. Get a large mixing bowl ready, and let's begin. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In your large bowl, combine the chicken mince, the egg, breadcrumbs, and all your chosen seasonings. Mix everything gently with your hands until it's just combined. Overmixing can make the burgers tough. Once mixed, divide the mixture into 4 equal portions. Form each portion into a patty about 1 inch thick. A small indentation in the center helps them cook evenly and prevents them from bulging. It's time to cook these delicious patties. Preheat your grill or a large skillet to a medium-high heat. A little oil on the cooking surface will prevent sticking. Carefully place your chicken patties on the hot surface. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Your amazing chicken mince burgers are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them on toasted buns with crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and your favorite condiments like mayonnaise or a tangy mustard. For an extra special touch, consider adding a slice of cheese, creamy avocado, or sweet caramelized onions. These homemade burgers are incredibly versatile and perfect for any meal. Enjoy every delicious bite with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.